Good morning from the beautiful highlands of Bashayer. The sun is just rising, and the town slowly wakes under a golden sky. We're starting our peaceful drive towards the stunning town of Tanomah. So buckle up and enjoy this refreshing journey through Saudi Arabia's mountain heartland. As we leave Bashayer, look at the gentle fog dancing through the trees. This area is known for its cool climate, even in summer. Pine trees line the road like guardians of nature. The fresh air here is something words can't describe. You have to feel it. On both sides, small stone houses and hillside farms greet the morning sun. Many families here still live a simple mountain life, farming, herding sheep, and enjoying peace. This region has preserved its natural charm for generations. Now we're climbing higher. Notice how the road twists and turns like a ribbon on the hills. And just beyond the cliffs, you can see deep valleys and endless green below. This drive is not just a route, it's an experience of pure mountain serenity. Birds glide over the hills as the sun brightens the sky. The views become clearer and deeper. Here, nature shows its untouched beauty. No filters, no noise, just calm. And now, welcome to Tanomah, the jewel of the Aseer Mountains. Famous for its natural parks, waterfalls, and thick juniper forests. You'll notice the change in architecture too. Older houses built with natural stones, blending into the landscape. This peaceful drive from Bashayer to Tanomah reminds you how beautiful simple roads can be. No rush, no stress, just nature's poetry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more peaceful road adventures in Saudi Arabia. Look closely at how the morning sun filters through the tall pine branches. Each ray lights up the road like a gentle guide, the scent of fresh. Mountain soil and wet grass lingers in the breeze. It's a gift only these highlands can offer. Here we pass a humble mosque along the roadside. In these quiet mountain towns, faith and simplicity walk hand in hand. Travelers often stop here to offer a prayer, sip a cup of tea, or just breathe the clean mountain air. A shepherd guides his goats across the hill, as his ancestors did for centuries. These are the stories you won't find in big cities. Stories of tradition, peace, and connection to the land. Asterisk, now we arrive at a small roadside viewpoint. Look at that view, stretching far into the misty valley. Travelers often pause here for a few moments, not just to rest, but to reflect. It's a place where time slows down and the heart finds calm. As we pass by this tiny mountain village, notice the traditional stone architecture. Homes built to resist harsh winds and cool temperatures. You might see smoke rising from early morning fires. Breakfast being prepared the old-fashioned way. Early summer, the hillsides come alive with wildflowers. Yellow, purple, and red blossoms blanket the slopes like nature's own carpet. The birds sing their morning songs. Hidden in the trees, this is their home, their symphony. Farming here is not easy, but it's a way of life. Many locals grow fruits, raise animals, and live close to the land. You'll see terrace farms, hugging the hills, smart and sustainable methods passed down through generations. To the left, a breathtaking view opens up, a deep valley between two ancient mountains. This land holds secrets of time, shaped by wind, water, and silence. Each turn of the road offers something new, a different angle, a different story. As we get closer to Tanomah, you'll start seeing signs of Al Aseer culture. Beautiful geometric art, symbols painted in traditional colors, red, black, yellow, and green. These designs tell the story of a proud mountain people, strong and graceful. And now, we begin entering the heart of Tanomah, a town of cool breezes, natural waterfalls, and ancient forests. You can feel the shift from wild nature to calm civilization, still deeply connected to the earth. If you ever get the chance, stop here for a few days. Explore the hanging forests, the Al Sharaf Park, or the famous Wadi Al Khar waterfall. But even if you're just passing through, this road from Bashayer to Tanomah will leave a mark on your soul. If you love nature, slow travel, and hidden gems of Saudi Arabia, subscribe and stay tuned for more. Now take a moment to admire the rugged rock formations along the roadside. These mountains are millions of years old, shaped by time, storms, and erosion. Some say these cliffs whisper stories if you listen closely. Stories of old tribes, travelers, and changing seasons. Along the way, you might spot a small local vendor selling mountain honey, herbal tea, or seasonal fruits. The people here are known for their warmth, always ready to share a smile or a story. As the road begins to climb again, we pass through tunnels of trees. The higher we go, the cooler the air becomes, almost like entering a natural air conditioner. These winding paths may seem endless, but every curve is worth it. Don't be surprised if you spot a mountain goat or a monkey along the edge. Wildlife here lives in harmony with the roads, often appearing out of nowhere. A quick glance, then gone. It's part of what makes this route so magical. You never know what nature will show you. And now, as the sun rises fully, the last of the morning fog begins to lift, revealing a majestic view of distant valleys and distant villages. It's like the land is slowly waking up, stretching its arms toward the light. Near Tanomah, you might see walls decorated with colorful Al Aseer patterns, triangles, lines, and dots. These traditional art forms are more than design. They reflect the heritage of the mountains, passed from mothers to daughters for centuries. One thing that stands out on this route is the care taken in building safe roads. Despite the mountains and slopes, the journey feels smooth and protected, a testament to modern engineering blended with natural terrain. And finally, we descend gently into Tanomah. The views widen, the road straightens, and the scent of juniper trees becomes stronger. It's the perfect ending to a calm and breathtaking ride. This road, from the cool heights of Bashayer to the forests of Tanomah, is not just a path. It's a journey through history, culture, and the untouched heart of Saudi Arabia's mountains. Thank you for traveling with us. Until next time, stay close to nature and keep exploring